weakest point.
Yeah.
When it dry, feel it when it green. And you feel how sharp it is. See maca them there?
Solid.
See,
It's a solid.
No, feel the maca.
Yeah.
And when it green, it has its weakest point. Boy, is I. Good boy.
So the other day I was on my way to the country to check on my bees. I came across this other apiary where the beekeeper was doing something amazing. Something that never occurred to me in all my time doing beekeeping. Join us while we check out Sandy's bee farm. Alright, so real quickly, I want you introduce yourself and tell me about the place where you are developing.
Alright, this is Sandy's Bees Farm, the first one in the Caribbean. Right? It's gonna have 3 bar, 3 restaurant. A fish restaurant, jerk chicken, pork, and a grill for hot dogs, hamburger, and fries. And also bees, which we're going to make juice, natural juice, sweetened with just honey and lime juice. That's what we plan to do. My son-in-law going to do that. I'm a Rasta. You could all know him, his name David.
David?
Yeah, he's a St. James man.
Okay, okay.
He's involved in a St. James football. That's what he wants to do here. Natural juice with honey.
Alright, so people, I'm not telling a lie. Sunday, one of the most interesting brethren I meet in a long time. And I drive past and I see this spot with the bees them.
The bees stop the seat and turn back.
Yeah, I just have to turn back and ask him about the bees them and find out say you are more than bees. I go on another place. So right now, this is just the beginning or the preview or something. Something bigger.
Weakest point.
Yeah.
When it dry, feel it when it green. And you feel how sharp it is. See maca them there?
Solid.
See,
It's a solid.
No, feel the maca.
Yeah.
And when it green, it has its weakest point. When it dry, you get and the poison too.
It's coming like it can puncture your tire, you know. You never tell me that before.
Shoes.
You never tell me that before I put myself with it.
I say come through my shoes.
So what's this called?
Kwasha maca.
Kwasha maca.
And it's the strongest tree. 80% of it is hard. 80% of the tree is hard.
Alright, we could come out there sometime.
See that, look.
Yeah.
And when you light it, see it here, it's how long it takes to burn. This is fire from 4 o'clock, you know.
And this run the mosquito them and thing.
Yeah. Look upon it, see it here. 80% died. Not even 80, I said 90. See it here. Look, hard. Feel how heavy it is. You feel how heavy it is. No, that's not a quarter. Feel how heavy the wood is.
Yeah, this we are good.
This is the most solid.
This we are good 90 pound right here, son.
And look how little it is.
Yep.
Feel the guango like the guango is. See guango here, feel it. That's a guango and it's bigger. Lighter, much lighter. Feel the lighter?
Yeah.
And look on that. Solid. A man come out, man say, you know much man come out and pay me and say, yo, I want some of them wood here.
The one that look like it float, the one that feel like it sink. Yeah.
This float.
Yeah. Alright, so
Feel them. How they heavy. Feel it. Kwasha maca all of them are there so.
and I hold the police to get out our property.
See that? About 10 trees when did I saw. The biggest one was right here. I was going out the road.
Sandy has done a great job to clear a portion of this 20-acre property, primarily located by the main east-west highway along the north coast, just outside of Falmouth town.
The farming too.
So Sandy has, tell us what you have on the farm, Sandy.
Coconut, plantain, banana, gungo, sorrel, ganja. Right now.
Right. Yeah.
And the bees them.
That's
91 box of bees here. We plan to take it up to 300 on the farm.
And you produce and sell honey?
Yes.
What kind of?
Lagwood honey right now and birch.
And what other bee products you do? You do like comb and them thing there?
Yeah, we do corn and we make foundation.
Okay.
Foundation from the wax, from the cutting where we extract the honey.
I mean, I say someone afraid of bees now, but don't be intimidated.
No man, tell them the bees are okay.
Yeah.
If they don't provoke them, they don't provoke you. You can walk as close as possible to the box. The only time they provoke you is when they try to steal the honey.
Right.
Protect it.
Right.
I have to protect myself when I'm stealing it.
And they're in their rights to do so, right?
You know, for them, man. If you can thief me in my house, I try to kill you, you know. It's the same thing the bees doing, you know.
Yeah.
He harvests the pollen, he makes it into honey. I have to go and steal it. Until you think you own the bees, you cannot control it.
All right.
All you have to do is protect yourself from it. Someone say, but they know you. Know what? Bees only live for 28 days.
Yeah.
That's all it is.
That's a short lifespan.
Short lifespan. And he makes a spoon of honey in his 28 days. But each hive have over 1 million bees.
Right. So that's 1 million spoons.
That's 1 million spoons. They're called workers.
Yeah.
And from the day they're born, he flies out the box. Right? Not all of them. 60% of them goes out the box to collect pollen. The other 40% stays in like it's a factory. And they turn the pollen into liquid. The pollen is a dust. And then they turn it into liquid. Which man has tried many, many years. Scientists have tried over 100 years. Try to make honey. Take the same pollen dust and they can't. Only the bees can do it.
Okay.
Which also the bees is to give us fruits. 80% of the fruit that grows on the tree, the pollination is done by bees. The other 20 is done by the wind. So if we depend on the wind, we would die. There was enough fruits. So you wouldn't get that nice mango in the morning.
And all those other lovely fruits.
That we all enjoy.
So Sandy, if somebody come here now and they want to look at the bees, how you protect them from getting stung?
We have suits we put onto you, a jacket. You wear your jeans and a comfortable shoes.
Yeah, one you can show me?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Well, this way we would do people.
Eventually we're going to have changing room.
Alright.
Right? This is a suit. This is a jacket. Which this one is made here. Normally they all come from the US. But we have come up with a different concept. We want to make everything Jamaican. So we took one of them, opened it, and we made this one. Now we're making 80 of them. So now how big the crowd is, we have jackets to go on here.
This look like it's a good design, right?
Yeah,
It says made in Jamaica.
This is made in Jamaica.
It have a label on the front. Donovan's Designs, made in Jamaica by Jamaicans.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright, so people, if you come, don't be afraid to come. First thing. And when you come, Sunday have you covered. If you want a beer for drink,
Yeah, eventually. We have beer, but next month we're going to have the bar. And we have the ladies working here.
right.
Everybody's going to wear a uniform, so you can tell the staff different from the guests. We'll make uniform for everybody.
How long now you just say you have them stuck here? Your father run the bees business?
My father in a bees business over 60 years now.
So them bees here is a 60-year line of business.
Yeah.
That's incredible. I don't give it too much, but give a little preview of what else you have in store for the people them in the future.
Juice, natural juice. Grow the papaya here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna, and the most what we want to do is breadfruit juice. Not many people know you can use breadfruit to make juice.
All right.
But it makes a great juice.
All right.
Right? And sweetened with honey and lime. And cucumber juice.
And any other plans for like how you're gonna develop the property?
What am I gonna do? We want to put in a swimming pool. So when you come here, you can spend the day. Not just honey and juice, but you can enjoy yourself. We're gonna put in a beach, because there's a lake on the other side of the property.
Okay.
Right, so we're going to put in a beach by the lake, and a beach bar, and a grill, and a swimming pool. And then eventually, as we make money, we'll put in cottages, so you can come and stay on the bees farm.
It's a full coverage, full day, full fun, full service.
Right.
Alright.
And we intend to do that like in 3 years' time we sort of have cottages. But I put in one myself, you know. I take my saving and put in one. Yeah.
Just to get it going.
Yeah, my daughter said, my father, me back you.
Sandy's Bee Farm.
Right.
In Trelawney. Where you can find the space again, Sandy?
Egg.
Trelawney.
Close to the multiplex stadium.
Alright.
And from Stonebrook.
That's that big stadium right out by the eastern side of Falmouth town.
Right. Going to Clarkstown.
Alright. So big up yourself, Sandy, and thanks again for being on our channel and showing us your place. I'm sure I hope say, everybody can see this and come support. Zin?
Yeah man, it's going to be open to the public, Sunday to Sunday.
Alright. Hear it from Sandy himself.
Sunday to Sunday.
All
Restaurants, all the restaurants will be open Sunday to Sunday. From 10 until 10 at night. It's a family business.
The best place to bring your family.
Yeah, it's going to be a family place. Mr. Grandpa, there's a cut out one road so we can ride good on, so ride, come on and ride ground. My sister.
Am I right? Bicycle?
Yeah, they have them bicycle. Once they come, the other grandfather brings the bicycle.
Okay.